Hi guys, welcome back to Roni Adventures, and today is my birthday. I'm turning 9. I'm 9 right now, and I just turned 9. And for my birthday present, I'm opening up this 2018 Donruss football box. One autograph and one memorabilia card per box. So, let's crack it open. Super excited. How about you? Packs. Let's get into those packs. Let's get into it. First pack, 2018 Donruss football. Looking for Lamar Jackson, Saquon Barkley, Baker Mayfield, Tom Brady, Antonio Brown, Jordan Howard, Kyle Juszczyk, Blake Bortles, Dan Buchan, Dominators, Marcus Mariota, shiny. Snow Days, Chuck Foreman, Vikings, home team. Shaquem Griffin rated rookie, and Trevin Byron. Second pack. Comment below what your favorite rookie is in 2018. Xavier Rhodes, Ajayi, Kellen Short, Joe Kellick, Dermot Meredith, Peyton Manning. Ooh, that's super. Die cut DeMarcus Lawrence, 1 of 1. 1 of 1. Die cut DeMarcus Lawrence, 1 of 1. Whoa.
Good hit.
Sweet. Larver Arton, Gridiron Kings. Traquan Smith, rookie. Derwin James, rookie. That's nice. Then Traquan Smith. 1 of 1, guys. Get butter. 1 of 1. I'm just pumped after that. And there's a die cut 1 of 1 too. Aaron Jones, Doug Martin, Quan O'Neal, Eric Berry, Kurt Warner, Ryan Tannehill. Ooh, rookie Baker Mayfield Elite Series. Go shine. Rookie. MVP Earl Campbell. Mark Walton, rookie. And Micah Fitzpatrick, rookie card. 1 of 1. Woo! I think that's my first 1-of-1 pulled in packs. Just in packs. Lucky. John Elway, Lawrence Taylor, Jadeveon Clowney, Chris Thompson, Carl Lawrence, Brandon Cooks, base. Elite Series Michael Gallup. Drew Brees, Donruss. Insert. Darkest Fountain, rookie. And Dante Jackson, rookie. Then Kevin Porter. Ooh. Sean Lee, Deshaun Watson, Ozzie Newsome, Joel Casey, Mike Slot, CJ Mosley. I love these cards. Legends of the Fall, Steve Young. They're just super shiny. That's what I like about the cards. And Tom Brady, 4,577 passing yards. Insert. Brian Barrios and Deshaun Hand rookie card. Get a party. Next pack. Oh, that's super hard to get open. This is a thick pack. Aaron Rodgers, Bruce Irvin, Sammy Watkins, J.J. Watt, Russ Jones, Andy Dalton, Phil, Accuracy Test, Ben Roethlisberger, Accuracy Test, that's a hit, sort of. Lamar Jackson, Kansas rookie. Then Raven Hurst and Vita Vea rookie. And here's the Ben Roethlisberger accuracy test. Next pack. Drew Brees, Nelson Aguilar, Deion Sanders, Kareem Hunt, Chandler Jones, Mark Ingram. Oh, this card's sick. Elite Series rookie Saquon Barkley. AP MVP, Adrian Peterson, Viking. And John Kelly and Leighton Vander Esch, rookie. Reporter. Next pack. Can't believe we got a 1-of-1. First 1-of-1 in packs. Chris Harris Jr., Eli Manning, Josh Norman, Jarvis Landry, Marcus Peters, Tre'Davious White. I have this exact same card. Matthews Berry, Saquon Barkley, shiny card. Insert Michael Kendricks, the champ this year. Andrew St. Brown, Duke Dawson, rookie. And, get a reporter. I'll get the card I dropped. Good thing it wasn't the 1 of 1. That is for sure. Next pack. Matthew Stafford, Walter Jones, Corey Davis, Joey Bosa, Deshaun Jackson, James Washington. Ooh, 72 of 99 Elite Series Auto. Dominators AJ Boye. Leonard Fournette, Ground Force. Dallas Gordrew and Unkim Oswald rookie cards. Cam Newton, Ryan Shazier, Tariq Cohen, Amir Abdullah, Marquise Lee, Sam Bradford. We have a purple 302 out of 400. Deion Sanders, all-time Gridiron Kings. Sam Bradford rookie and Jordan Aiken rookie card. Kid reporter. Harrison Smith, Flexter Cox, Christian McCaffrey, Robbie Anderson, Tegan Jr., Enter Harrison, base. Elite Series Von Miller. Joe Thomas. I don't know what that's called. Callum Balaj and Tanner Lee rookie cards. Devontae Adams, Marshawn Lynch, Matt Ryan, Tyreek Hill, Frank Gore, Geno Atkins, Naheem Hines, Donruss rookie. Introduced Brian Urlacher. Jalen Samuels rookie and Tran Lewis rookie. Reporter. Bo Jackson, Jared Cook, Justin Houston, Lamar Miller, Danny Amendola, Joe Mixon, Elite Series Jared Goff, MVP Tom Brady, Bo Scamberg and Tony from Gali rookie. Brandon Marshall, Alva Vernon, Ezekiel Anzi, Vernon Davis, Alab Tibley, LaShawn McCoy, filler. Mason Rudolph, 14 out of 100, Brown. The champ is here, Jalen McCluskey, 89 out of 100. Von Miller, Gridiron Kings. Deshaun Hamilton, rated rookie, and Daniel Kintright, rated rookie. Stephon Diggs, Ron Jopka, Jeremy Kaiser, Devontae Freeman, Marcus Williams, Andrew Luck, filler. Butler, Milton Butler, red press proof. All-time Gridiron King, Sean Alexander. Edo Smith, rookie, and Christopher Henry, the 5th. June Edelman, Terry Bradshaw, Mario Ensign, Leonard Williams, Ross Suggs, Jim Ramsey, filler. Red press proof, Mark Outland, rookie. Don't know who he is. Terry Bradshaw, Gridiron Kings. DJ Moore, rookie, and Darius Leonard, rookies. Von Miller, Damian Harrison, Jason Crowder, Carlos Hyde, Jared Goff, James Winston. Anthony Miller, rookies. The rookies. Legends of the Fall, Curtis Martin. Denzel Ward and Daniel Carlson, rookie. Dak Prescott, Russell Wilson, Marcus Mariota, Brian Urlacher, Mike Williams, Joe Flacco. Orange Delaney Walker, 22 out of 82. Myles Garrett, Gridiron Kings. Josh Rosen, rated rookie. Mike Heiser, rookie. Kevin Porter. We're down to 5 packs. Rob Gronkowski, Le'Veon Bell, Marquise Goodwin, Julius Peppers, Leonard Fournette, Harrison Reddick. Elite Series, Mark Walton, rookie. Walter Payton, NFL Year Man of the Award, Roger Staubach. Next card's good. Saquon Barkley, rated rookie card. My Cubes rookie. Randall Cobb, Cleo Mack, DeAndre Hopkins, Sam Premier, Danny Thompson, Jason Taylor, Lamar Jackson, rookie, the rookies. Melvin Gordon, ground force. Jordan Lacey, Brandon Williams, rookie. Brandon McCann, Wade Gollum, Trent Taylor, Kevin Byard, Quan Alexander, Todd Gurley. Die cut Robbie Anderson, 6 of 75. Gridiron Kings, Cam Newton. Next card's good too. Baker Mayfield, rookie. PJ Hall, rookie. Kid Reporter. Down to 2 packs. Kirk Cousins, Zach Ertz, Barry Sanders, Damon Trufant, Michael Thomas, Marlon Mack. Tigger and Heroes, AJ Green. Jameis Winston, Dominators. Mike White, rated rookie. Jerry Alexander, rookie. Kid Reporter. James Washington, Aaron Van George Kittle, the Country's Eric Whittle, Miles Jack, Dominators, Todd Gurley, Snow Day, Brian Urlacher, Calvin Ridley, and Danny Elton rookie cards. Reporter. Last pack. Tony Dorsett, Earl Thomas, Kyle Long, Kenny Bernard, and Keenan Allen. We have Cooper Kupp, jersey 32 to 150. I love these cards. A Legends series, Sean Alexander. Todd Gurley, Darius Guice, rookie, and Kamuturi. Thank you guys for watching my 2018 Donruss break. Don't forget that 1 of 1 I pulled in my pack. Hopefully you liked my card video. See you next time. Bye.